frequently used phrases or words? Love. Sino words?
Ano ba ang madalas kong ginagamit na salita?
Iko? Iko, ulit.
Hindi na nga ito. Di ba ngayon ko lang ito natuto?
Yes! At Pinoy na Pinoy! Pina-A si Kim Ji-won! Of course, Ji-won, if you could describe the Philippine fan meeting in one word, what would that be?
아니에요. 뭐 이거 얘도 너무 얘도 너무 너무 귀엽고 너무 좋지만 정말 진짜 감동? It was actually the hand signature that tinuruan niyo ako. It was actually fun and cute, but maybe if to wrap up the whole the Philippines fan meet, maybe I would say heart-touching.
Yes!
처음부터 이렇게 끝날 때까지 이렇게 굉장한 에너지로 애정을 계속 보내주셔서 정말 감동이었고요. 그리고 여러분들께서 한 목소리로 노래를 불러주시는 거를 들은 순간을 저는 오래오래 기억할 것 같아요. 너무 감사합니다.
Well, thank you so much. That from the start hanggang ngayon, your energy has been very amazingly supportive. And not only that, yung pinantahan niyo ako as one voice, it was something that I will actually cherish it for a very long time. Hindi ko talaga makakalimutan.